Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and shot this image for a long time ago. 4x5 jewelry shot, pretty colorful but kind of busy look because of the background. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, this is pretty nice pencil drawing type image. Even though when you turn into color, kind of busy because of the surface of this is not slate, rock. So I'm gonna make something different image, illustration image, I don't know. I'm gonna make it more simplify this background, I think. So easy to see these jewelry's subjects. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image, then let's see what we can get when you change blend mode. This nice color burn, linear burn, pretty dark, lighten. This is pretty interesting. Screen, this is nice too. Overlay, that's pretty simple. Luminosity, look at this. This is pretty nice. Nice colors, but a little bit kind of busy texture maybe, but I'm gonna use this as a color. It's nice. Okay, get some select multiple 1, 2 and duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get this luminosity effect layer first of all, then just turn it off right now. I'm going to change the name later. Okay, let me see, change blend mode to overlay. Some stones look nice, pretty much darker color maybe. Yeah, seeing this stone a lot better on overlay effect. Okay, as one part of stones I'm gonna get from this overlay, and also some reflections. That's nicer on this overlay. 4 stones. Okay, now I gotta keep this image. Alright, let's see. Overlay 100, Okay, select multiple. 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Merge selected. Now this is for stone colors. Maybe some of gold. That's nice on color burn. Some are too dark. Pin light. That's interesting though. Compared to this luminosity effect layer. Yeah, this is luminosity, right? Okay, now I'm going to change all the names. Alright, finished named. Okay, now this is pin light. This is luminosity effect layer. Yeah, this is more colors in it. I think I like this better than pin light. This is a little bit more soft colors. So I'm going to use this luminosity effect layer as a base, I think. That's, soft. Nice image to me. And mask some colors of the stones. I'm gonna use this overlay effect like this blue one, reddish one, especially this one. This is pretty interesting color of the stone. And gold. Maybe I can pick up some from this color burn, but some are too dark, so maybe touch. No, I gotta think about it. I gotta think about this background. How can I show the background? Well, let's see. Let's move this. Okay, this is luminosity effect layer. I'm gonna move all the way bottom because it's gonna be the base image. Then this one is overlay effect layer, which is light stone colors. I use some for some colors. Okay, I'm gonna create empty mask, then invert mask. Now next one, this is color for, oh no, this is a pencil drawing type of image. I'm not gonna change right now. Yeah, just leave this one. Let's see, color burn for gold. Okay, this one effect only this base image, original image. These a couple. Okay, alright, I may use this original image, so I'm going to duplicate layer, then one of this original image, bring this one go up, then create empty mask, invert mask. Now we are looking at this color burn effect on this pencil drawing type of image with our original image. Now what if I may create empty mask on this pencil drawing type image? Maybe we can change tone later on because the layer is not fixed, combined together, right? Merge down together yet. If I need it, I'm gonna merge down later. We got the original image here too with mask. Then this one is overlay effect. Now I'm going to turn it off, this original image. So we see this base luminosity effect layer as a base image. Now first of all, I'm going to reveal this original. Well, original image is regular density, so this one is overlay effect layer, which is a lighter image, right? So I'm going to move this one up over this original image. Change, yeah, this gotta be the top because of the light colors. This is the overlay color. Okay, let's see. First of all, this one is original color. Okay, I'm gonna review this overlay effect on this stone. Brushes, and I use basic to soft round now. And also maybe highlight side of this blue one. Let's see, if I reveal this original, this is pretty dark, this is original. Then this is overlay. Compare the color of these stones, overlay effect, and original effect. Which one is nicer color? Then maybe I reveal this regular color with this overlay effect color. Overlay has more saturation up, so get regular color with this overlay light image. Overlay I'm hiding now because in this stone overlay is lighter, so I'm hiding on overlay, the reveal on original shows more darker image, but some part like a highlight area I pick some from this overlay. Yeah, it's nicer now. Okay, how about here? This is gold. What about here too? This is pearl. So I should pick some from regular. Overlay is too light. Yeah, this one has more texture, so reveal on original image. This one is originally is too dark. Not much on overlay effect. Okay, almost 4 stones. Now go for gold. Okay, if I may create empty mask on this original image, then invert mask. Now I will reveal. Let's see. Okay, now let's see. Okay, this is overlay effect layer. I got pretty much saturated color on stones. Then this one is regular original image. Got some darkness of the stone colors. Then this one is especially gold. A little bit thick color on gold. Okay. Now this is a base image, which is luminosity effect layer. Is overall. Okay, now about this base image though. Original image, still kinda a little bit busy look, huh? Show this more softly. So let's see if I can add some. Okay, add layer on top. Then I'm gonna fill in this layer with white pixel layer. So just as if I put on the white paper over this picture, right? Now I'm gonna color on this with watercolor. Let me play around. Let's go from here. Let's see, with watercolor wash soft. What's this happening? I don't know. It's maybe too much water. Shows behind image from underneath. That's an interesting effect, huh? Well, let's continue to add some colors. Okay, I got some watercolor texture base. Okay, create empty mask and then now reveal. I gotta see where the stones are. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate layer, then one of this pencil drawing type of image, move up all the way top, bring this blend mode back to darken, then tone down. Now I'm gonna reveal this with, let's see, painting to roughing brush. Now we know where the juries are, so I'm gonna hide this, turn it off, this pencil drawing type image. Now how much I'm gonna hide this white paper layer. Maybe interesting to have some kind of basement color or something. I did last time with a watercolor base. So I may try over this layer, add layer, then round detail. touch accent of the base. Maybe, yeah, kind of interesting watercolor. I kind of like it these days. Yeah, I shouldn't touch anymore. Well, yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, this is it for today, and I just add color. Okay, this is the luminosity effect layer basement. This is the color I just add. This is a white layer with mask. Now it's easy to see. This is overlay effect layer. So much highlight. It's hard to see. Then this is original image with mask. This time not show, gold is not showing much, huh? A little bit light image. Then this one is same original image with pencil drawing type of image, color burn. Shows more darker color on gold. Well, a little bit complicated, and this one is a pencil drawing type of image. I'm not using it. Just turn it off. Well, that's it for today, and much simple light image illustration. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.